Flying high, need to take a poop. Fighting crime, brought to where I flew. Definition Man.
Greetings, fellow Definitioneers, and welcome to yet another exciting edition of Definition with your host, Definition Man. I've only been posting videos on YouTube a little over a week, so I've been getting a hold of some of my friends as well as some pretty smart people that I think might appreciate the video service I provide. I briefly mentioned to those people, and maybe to you, what it is I'm doing here, and I also welcome everyone to comment truthfully about the video content, because I believe constructive criticism breeds improvement. Still, I've had so many people watch my videos over the last week without leaving so much as a heart, that I was surprised to receive my first comment on definition of evolution just the other day from my friend Farvision. He seemed to step up from the average in my book, because much like Twitter and Facebook, most people only use a friend's request as a way of adding hundreds of little pictures to their channel so they can appear more prestigious.
You're not fooling anyone.
He's really a no-bullshit kind of guy. Now, I didn't much like what he had to say, but he was right when he said, I asked for it. In fact, I suspect he mentioned that as his opening statement because he recognized most people don't take criticism very lightly, and I must admit, I did feel a little defensive. But he did make a valid point, and I'd be a fool to deny it. This is what he said. You asked for comments. I couldn't stand to watch more than a few seconds of this because it seemed you were just reading a dictionary definition. We can all do that, so it's not useful and didn't promise to give me any new insights. You're right, Farvision. I was in fact reading from a dictionary definition. And before I even begin, I make a point to disclose the source and the fact that I modify it for time purposes. But in hindsight, I can agree with you that it's a little too left-brain, and not everyone's going to eat, a low-calorie salad when there's a tasty, artery-clogging diabetic coma with promises of anal leakage and brain damage right behind it. Which is the majority of my video content, because I know what you like, America. I can't be quoted, but this is more or less my response. Being the kind of guy who's flooded with information and needs to move quickly to stay afloat, he actually didn't watch any more than the first 4 seconds. But when he did, he continued. The second time I looked, I did skim through the rest of the video and saw you had moved away from the pure definition. Take a look at how some people present their work, and then he referred me to some channels. Now, I'm not sure how you say I moved away from the pure definition, but that reference material is still bound to be helpful. And you'll notice I took your advice and left out that pesky dictionary definition that kept you from watching any more than the initial was up of a 3-minute video. Thanks for the input, Farvision. And later, the infamous Zonstar, whose channel I'd highly recommend to anyone, dropped in his 2 cents. He started off with a compliment, in this case, my writing, before introducing himself to someone who's only here to help. In this case, he was able to successfully defuse any hostilities I may have taken against his advice, something Farvision didn't do. Then he gave me a few tips on camera placement and resolution, and recommended editing or retakes when I messed my lines up too much. And the reason I even bring this up at all is to give you a couple good examples of constructive criticism, because not everyone knows what it means. I always see people beating each other senseless in YouTube comment boards with things like, that's fucking retarded, you take this shit down or I take you down. And my favorite, what race are you? Because whatever you are after watching that video, I hate it. These are obvious examples of destructive criticism. With this warzone behavior all over the place, maybe I'm lucky to have almost no comments to deal with, because that kind of talk doesn't add any real insight. The only thing it's good for is pissing people off and making the person who wrote it look like a total shithead, even if they think they're being clever. And if that's the kind of deuce you like to drop, more power to you. Just keep in mind that no one but you really wants to smell what's up your ass. But for those of you who smell what I'm stepping in, say something useful. If you do, people are more likely to think you have a girlfriend. Anywho, if you like what you see here and you want to see more, click on any one of my other definitions. Rate this video, and as always, troll yourself in the comments below. As for you, Farvision, I really hope you enjoyed the ADD-friendly improvements.
Definition Man.
Definition Man.